Well, mostly because Landon was having a lot of anxiety and trouble with concentrating because of that, and couldn't sleep. So that was most of it. He sleeps a lot better now, and he doesn't have it. He's never had any night terrors since we started the brain training. He has a lot more positive outlook on things, and he doesn't get stuck on negative thoughts and stay there for so long anymore. Yes, actually my husband already noticed. His aunt noticed, and my son also noticed last night. I would say it's something that sounds on the surface really hard to believe, but when you see the results, it really is impressive, the results.